Keep watching if you want to see how I recreated Mahira Khan's look from Love Guru. Okay guys, let's get into it. I am more focused on the eye look. The base is done. As you can see, she has like a pretty dark smoky eye situation going on. Wait, I need to find a brush. Guys, I literally just got back home. Let me go find a brush. I'm gonna go with my e.l.f. Flawless Concealer brush in this middle shade from the Patrick Top palette. It's just a transition shade. Any beige color will do. I'm just gonna pack that on my whole eyelid. In the picture, she has a lot of depth in the bottom of her eyes, so I'm gonna go in with this brush. I don't remember where it's from, but just a flat brush. I'm just gonna go in under my lash line and build that color up. Zoom you guys in. I'm gonna do one eye and then show you the difference, but I'm literally just gonna keep packing on more brown underneath my eyes. Like so. Go back in with my Flawless Concealer brush and use that same transition shade on my whole eyelid. Back and forth so I can build up that color. Voluminous eyeliner by L'Oreal and just get my waterline. It's like super smoky. Just brush again and just smoke out the lash line. Transition and put that on top. Same liner and just go on top, just close to the lashes. And blend that out with this brush, I think, or with my finger. To smoke out the top lid more, I'm gonna go in with this dark brown shade in transition. Pack that on top of the eyelid. Just blend that out. Go in and like bring it out. I hope this doesn't mess up the whole look. I'm gonna use my finger to just pull it out a little bit. That is looking really cute. More mascara on the lashes. I'm gonna do the other eye and then show you the full result. BRB. I'm gonna go in with the Sephora blush in Flirt It Up, just on the apples of my cheeks, like how she has in the picture. So the lip look she has on, I think that's like mainly her own lip color peeking through, and I have a different color lip. Went in with my Tower 28 lip gloss in Sesame on top of my lips, and then I dabbed it off a little bit like on the back of my hand, just to get that lip look she has going on. That is the look all complete. I'm obsessed with this. I think I'm going to be wearing this very often from now on, but this is the look all complete. It is so smoky and sultry and chef's kiss. Me taking out my phone in the movie theater to take a picture of this look was literally worth it. Surprisingly, this was super easy to do because it's such a messy eye look. Let me know what you guys think of it. I am really happy with how this turned out. And if you want to see more makeup looks for me to try, let me know in the comments below.